Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
If I tell you that most of the crime is planned from prison, it's planned from prison by the people that are doing a life sentence, they run crime outside. So
Ngomthetho wase-South Africa akuvumelekile ukuthi umuntu oboshiwe abe ne-cellphone. Yingakho noma eboshwa iyathathwa ngamaphoyisa noma ngathiwa azoyiphenya noma ngathiwa angeke. Kodwa i-cellphone iyagcinwa. Igcinwa kahle i-cellphone yalowo muntu lo ngoba ngokomthetho wase-South Africa akuvumelekile ukuthi umuntu osejele ngaphakathi abe ne-cellphone. Esikhathini esiningi amaphoyisa mayenza ama-raid esesha amajele ayawathola ama-cellphone nento eyiningi ekuthiwa ayivumelekile. Ayangena-ke ngendlela angena ngayo ngenxa-ke ye-corruption ekhona. Umva kwe-press conference ka-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi yangemhla ka-6 kuJulayi 2025, amaphoyisa angena la kuboshwe khona uVusumuzi Cat Matlala, amthole ne-cellphone ngaphakathi ejele. Nayo leyo cellphone yathathwa-ke ngoba iyophenya ukuthi yini abekayikhuluma nobani kanjani. Ukuba nje kwakhe ne-cellphone kuyicala kwase-South Africa. So imeya ye-DA ipropose ukuthi akufakwe ijema ikakhulukazi ePolsmo. Mhlambe eqala ePolsmo kuzokhuphuka sekuya kumajele wonke. Akufakwe ijema ezojema isignal ngoba uma bethi bayilwa lento ukuthi ama-cellphone angangena ejele kodwa yangena. Ngcono ke kufakwe ijema ukuthi noma i-cellphone engangena kodwa ingabi na network. Ngesikhathi ikhuluma nabezindaba ikhulume kanje imeya.
I had the most extraordinary experience where I went to visit a roads project in a community called Bishop Lavis. And the roads contractor there said to me that he refused to work on the site any longer because he had received a cell phone call from inside Pollsmoor prison from a well-known Cape Town gangster who's serving time for serious crimes, who said to him that he better get his guys off the work site because this particular work site belongs to him, the gangster, and that he would not survive the day unless he got off. And it struck me as absolutely outrageous that the criminal justice system goes through all this effort to get this person into prison, who's really a bad person, and then he just carries on. He just carries on running his gang and doing his organized crime from behind bars. Surely that makes a mockery of our criminal justice system. Mm-hmm. I then looked into this matter and discussed it with the police. They said this is very frequent and there's nothing that you can do to stop smuggling of cell phones into Pollsmoor. Also, this strikes me as bizarre. How is it possible that it is so easy to get contraband like cell phones into our prisons? So I think we must use technology. This is where I thought of this concept of cell phone blockers. Use what technology allows us to do and just make the cell phones effectively useless in the prison. And that's why I wrote to the minister about it.
So lobo mbona ke meya se-Cape Town njengoba umuzwa echaza isizathu esenza ukuthi azagcina ebhalela uMinister Groenewald ukuthi hayibo akufakwe ijema lapho ukuze ama-cellphone azoba useless. Khumbula ukuthi ama-cellphone awavumelekile ngaphakathi ejele. Kodwa ngoba i-corruption iningi kakhulu ama-cellphone akhona and ayikho into ezokwenzeka ukunqanda lesimo sokuthi ama-cellphone angene ngoba kufika kube khona ama-raid kuseshwa athathwa ama-cellphone kudlula insukwana aphinda abuye ama-cellphone aphinda abuye. So ileso simo abalwa naso usechaza isizathu-ke esenza ukuthi azabhalela uMinister. Ngeke ngisabuyela emuva ngiloko ngichazana nesizathu sakhe. So yena yona into ayiproposile le kuMinister. Kukhona-ke ngisho ama-organization amele amalungelo abantu ababoshiweyo baphikisene bona nalesinqumo sisika meya sokuthi kufakwe ijema. bathi bona bahambelani naso. Iyangidida-ke lento yabo yokungahambelani nalesinqumo, ingidida ngempela.
Experts in this technology, and there are experts, lots of experts who've been in contact with me now that I've put this out publicly, and some of them have tried to explain to me how it works. And of course, we'd have to be careful because Pollsmoor is perhaps a unique prison in that there's residential communities right on the boundary of Pollsmoor, so you don't want to interrupt their signal. But as I understand it, that you could put these devices into the maximum security areas, into some of the cell blocks, and calibrate those devices so that they would only impact on those cell blocks and would not kind of cast a no network shadow over the entire facility, as it were. The guards, yes, their own cell phones would also be affected. But to be honest with you, there are many jobs in the world where you are not supposed to be using your cell phone while you're on duty anyway, and they should be communicating via their two-way radio system.
Umbuzo bomkhulu ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani? Proposal yakhe ethi funeke bayenze kanjani? Njengoba umuzwa ke chaza ukuthi yebo abantu abazoba affected ilaba abagadayo, kodwa uma besemsebenzini kodwa ingafaka ngendlela ukuthi iblock kuma cells na ku maximum area kuphela, ingaweli ngapha ngoba kunomphakathi eduze nje nePulse. I-proposal ke le njengoba ethi uthintwa amakhampani ahlukahlukeneyo anolwazi asevele ukuthi cha singakwazi ukwenzela kanje na kanje, izathu zabo lezi. Into enza ukuthi ngidide lento ekhulunywa ilaba bamela amalungelo abantu ababoshiwe iyodwa. Iselfoni ayivumelekile. Uma kuthiwa kufaka ijema bese uthi wena no lo muntu uzobe ephikisana namalungelo abasebenzi, lephi ilungelo? Likhona ilungelo lento engavumelekile na? Iyangidida lento ifana nokuthi kuthiwe illegal immigrant criminality, wenza ubugebengu uma ula illegal bese kuthiwa futhi unelungelo kanjani ube wenza ubugebengu ngoba iselfoni ayivumelekile. Manje kufika kanjani ekuthenini sigcine sesifika la sithi khona mawufaka ijema uzobuphula ilungelo labantu ababoshiwe lokuthi bakwazi ukuxhumana nemindeni yabo. Liphi ilungelo ngoba iselfoni ayivumelekile ejele? Liphi leli lungelo okukhulunywa ngalo? Ingakho ngidida lento ekhulunywa yilaba abamele amalungelo abantu ababoshiweyo.
Uma iqala ivideo ngeke ngakucaphunela uGeneral Cele ekhuluma noDr Sizwe Mpofu ku-SMWX esho ukuthi ubugebengu obuningi obenzekayo buplanwa from ejele. Obuningi ubugebengu obenzakalayo buplanwa abantu abasejele. Ngifisa ukucaphunela leyo video obunye bobungozi bokuthi iselfoni ingene ejele. Obunye bobungozi. Futhi bakhona abantu abenza izinto ezinhle ngawa ama-cellphone bawasebenzisela ukuxhumana nemindeni yabo. Kodwa leli phuzu elisho General Cele akufanelanga silithathe kancane. Bakhona abantu abasarana amabhizinisi wabo noma besejele berana amabhizinisi wabo ngoba bekwazi ukuzilawula zonke lezo zinto nge-cellphone. Awucabange nje uma ngathiwa umuntu uyakwazi ukuhlanganisa izinkabi zibulala umuntu esejele yena. Izotrace okwenza utholakale bani ngoba yena akekho phela usejele. Ngicela uzwe la.
If I tell you that most of the crime is planned from prison, it's planned from prison by the people that are doing a life sentence, they run they run crime outside. So
correctional facilities themselves are actually in some ways reproducing.
Let me tell you, one day I'm phoned by this guy who refused to tell me who he is, to say a certain chief was going to be killed at Ulundi. He gives me that there are 5 people that are having AKs. He gives me the lodge where they are, Ulundi and all. I tell him, Mkwanazi goes there, he finds exactly that. This guy phones me from prison.
Yes, look at that.
From prison. And Mkwanazi goes there, says, Minister, is exactly the information you gave to me.
Wow.
So what do you do with that? What do you do? That if you go to Wellington, prison in Umtata. All trouble of taxi industry are planned from there.
Bona-ke lento ebengisho uGeneral Cele uthi lapha eMthatha inkinga lezi zokubulawa kwabantu ku-taxi industry ziplanwa abantu abasejele. Khumbula phela ukuthi yani ngeke ngenze umzekelo njengoba i-political killing task team ibopha labantu laba ibopha iy'nkabi ibophe nalaba abathenga iy'nkabi. Uma bene-access to ama-cellphones wabo bayakwazi ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi wabo wokuthenga iy'nkabi ngoba phela iy'mali zabo basengakwazi ukuzilawula. Angazi phela ukuthi inkabi ikhokhelwa kanjani kodwa ngikholwa ukuthi ikhokhelwa via bank account angikholwa. And siyawazi umkhakha wamatekisi ukuthi uney'nkabi ey'ningi ngoba bayabulalana nje abantu bakhona angazi ukuthi inkinga yabo yini. Ethe uma ngizwa le meya ikhuluma kanje ngabona sekufike la uhulumeni abona khona ukuthi angeke akwazi ukunqanda ukungena kwama-cellphone ejele. Sekufuneka manje eze ney'ndlela zokuthi kungenziwa njani ukuze kuliwe nalento ngoba ubugebengu busaqhubeka. Uyakhumbula ukuthi utheni imeya le yase-Cape Town ithe kunomuntu ofonelwe umuntu oboshiwe wamtshela ukuthi akayeke lo msebenzi awenzayo ngoba i-territory yakhe le. Lo muntu ususiwe emphakathini ngoba kubona ukuthi uyawuhlukumeza kodwa still usakwazi ukuhlukumeza noma engaphakathi ejele. Angikucaphunele-ke ividiyo yalaba abamele ababoshiwe uze ukuthi bona bathini uma bevikela lokhu bephikisana nalesinqumo esishiwo umeya. Ngifuna ukucaphunela bona bese siyayivala le video kodwa ngingakujabulela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani ngalento okukhulunywa ngayo. Uhambelana nemeya noma uhambelane nayo? Kuthini kwakho ukuphawula ngoba nangu ubaba uNdosi uthi iy'nkinga ey'ningi zokubulawa kwabantu lapha ematekisini ziplenwa ejele. Abantu abaziplenayo basejele. Kuthini ukuphawula kwakho? Ngicela uzwe la.
The mayor should have first started talking about a document which was released by the DA in 2005 entitled Prison Work When Prisoners Work. Then he should have come up here and talk about something that has been a topic for the past 20 years in terms of the contraband of cell phones in South African prisons. And he has said absolutely nothing because I think he was scoring a few little lousy political points. Having said that, though, the issue of jamming devices, I mean, the former Minister of Correctional Services, Ronald Lamula, went in length talking about how much money have they already spent doing research to implement the project. He left and he didn't say anything about it. And I think the mayor should have gone to the former Minister of Correctional Services and asked him, how far are you with this project? Because taxpayers' monies were invested in what you told everybody of us. Now, we are not going to take responsibility of those who use the cell phone to keep on committing their crimes whilst they find themselves in their graves. We talk about those prisoners who has done their time halfway out, who are in fact family members and in fact want to stay in contact with their families so that you strengthen the family reunification after imprisonment. The rest, the Department of Correctional Services can talk about it because we are not the Department of Correctional Services.
So talk about the rest then, as Miles suggests. How does this proposal sit with you? And is it something that you've considered before in the manner that Miles is describing?
Let's start by saying that Miles must be bold enough and state that he is encouraging offenders to use mobile phones, something which is irresponsible and wrong. He has to state that.
Even when he qualifies it by saying it's those that are halfway out.
Yes, it's wrong because those are contrabands. They're not allowed. For as long as
at no stage before you get to your point, are you saying at no stage during the incarceration, even at a point where the release of the offender is imminent and you're starting to talk about preparing them for reintegration, at no point is it allowed?
No, because we do offer an alternative.
Okhulume kuqala uMiles Budu lo omele i-organization lenemela amalungelo abantu ababoshiweyo. Njengoba umuzwe bekhuluma ukuthi into esho umeya ayilungile. Umeya was just scoring political points and yena ngokwakhe ufisa sengathi uhulumeni
angashaya umthetho manje ozothi ama-cellphone avumelekile bese uhulumeni enza nohlelo lokuthi akayimonithe izinto ey'khulunywayo kuma-cellphone. Kuthi laba abaqhubeka nokwenza amacala abashushise, kodwa laba abanye abasuke bexhumana nemindeni yabo akabashushisi. Kuphambene kokukhuluma. Uzwile lo osebenza kwi-correctional service othe cha, uMiles nje into ayifunayo yena ufuna ukuthi athi labantu ababoshiwe noma iy'boshwa azisebenzise ama-cellphone, of which kuphambene nomthetho. Uvikela yena into ephambene nomthetho. Awukaphasi phela umthetho futhi awukakakhulumi. Kanti kwenye ividiyo engike ngayibona uMiles uthi bayifaka le proposal eminyakeni ewu-20 edlule, kodwa i-portfolio committee ayikazi ilikhulume lolu daba futhi ikhombisa ukungabi na-interest. Kuthi kuthiwa ngoba niyabona ukuthi i-cellphone iyingxenye yokuphila kwabantu, akuvele kushaya umthetho kube semthethweni ukungena kwe-cellphone ejele. Labantu bayakwazi ukuthi noma beboshiwe baqhubeke ne-cellphone, baqhubeke baxoxa nemindeni yabo. Angazi-ke mina angazi lutho, angikaze ngaboshwa. Manje-ke noma yini engiyikhulumayo ngiyikhuluma ngokuzwa izinto ezenzekayo. Kodwa ngoba sazi sonke ukuthi akuvumelekile ukungena kwe-cellphone ejele, isizathu esenza ukuthi ngiyiveze le part ukuthi angikaze ngaboshwa ukuthi for umuntu oke waboshwa uyakwazi mhlawumbe ukubaluleka kokuba ne-cellphone uma usejele. Futhi funeka sikhumbule phela ukuthi umuntu uma esejele yingoba inkantolo isuke imthola ukuthi wenza icala. Uma ubefuna ukuqhubeka aphathe i-cellphone yakhe kahle enze yonke into afuna ukuyenza, bekufuneka angalenzi icala, aqhubeke ahlale ngaphandle. Ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona abantu abagwetshiwe lapha ngamacala abangawenzanga, kodwa as long as inkantolo ikuthola unecala isuke ingekho into ezokwenziwa, usuke uzogwetshwa, uhlale uthrijwe njengesiboshwa. Yingakho ngithe ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho, ngizwe ukuthi wena ngokwakho uthini, ngoba lento eshuwo uGeneral Cele kufanelanga siyibalekele yokuthi kunobugebengu obuhlelwa ngaphakathi emajele. Kunobugebengu obunjalo. Kunamavidiyo la ngiyasaba ukuwacaphuna ngenxa ye-copyright yalabantu, yalabafowethu laba ababuye ejele nobhuti laba ababuye ejele abaxwayisayo ukuthi abantu bangangeni. Bakutshela into ezizimanga kabi ukuthi babekhishwa bona ejele bayokwenza imisebenzi yobumnyama, bafike babulala abantu babuyiselwe emajele. Ingakho kunama-murder cases angakaze aresolve ukuze kube namhlanje. Ya, so kunobugebengu obuningi kakhulu okwenzekayo. So kuthini ukuphawula kwakho? Ngabe isinqumo noma le proposal eshiwo imeya ilungile? Ngoba ukulwa nokungena kwama-cellphone akufani nokuthi uhulumeni uyadlala. Angiyivale le video ngoba ngirekhoda nje, I'm sure manje uthi ngibona isikhathi ubani? Oh, it's 13 minutes after 3. Kukhona abantu phela awuzoyeka yonke lento esiyikhulumayo avele athi uyazamula nje uma wenza i-video. Manje ngiyabona ukuthi ngoba kusekuseni angiyivali ivideo, kodwa ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho. La khona abantu abanjalo la ozoyeka yonke le nkulumo esiyikhulumayo avele akhathazeke ngokuzamula kwami. Ya, ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe wena ukuthi ubona kanjani. Mina nawe sesidibana kwivideo landelayo. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember, ungasupporta ku-donate. Mina nawe asidibana kwivideo landelayo. Ngiyabonga.